Good morning. I'm ready to start journaling, but I thought I'd say hi and share the early morning spiritual practices that help me on my spiritual journey. Of course, the one I've been talking about is the journaling, which we have right here, but there's something else I do, and it involves this book. Deepak Chopra wrote this, The Seven Spiritual Laws of Success, and I've been so in a practice. I made cards for the seven spiritual laws of success, 7 cards, one each day. So every morning, or if I'm up after midnight, I change the card. Yesterday it was the law of intention and desire. For Thursday, every time you wish or want, you plant a seed, these ideas. And today, Friday, is the law of detachment. Enjoy the journey, which I love. I love the detachment and going with the flow. So every day there's that reminder in the morning. And this is Hindu culture, I believe. And now, along the way, the 7 chakras. So how does that fit in with the practice? And now I'm working with this book and the teachings of Asanabe, Path of Purpose, applying the ancient Anishinaabe teachings, because the truth is in all cultures, and these 7 spiritual laws are ancient. Well, certainly so are these. Very, very beautiful. And these are so much a part of nature and the natural world. And what I'm really finding is that spirituality and the map of life is rolled out for us every day in nature and what's going on there. So if you get to be in nature, which I'm going to take you there throughout the day, look at my other videos. We're always going out there, and to bring that as an awareness to start the day with a blessing. So bless us. I hope you have a beautiful day.